Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the input path so you can find the cause. First, disconnect all external devices and peripherals. Once done, shut down and unplug the PC. Hold the power button for 20 seconds to discharge residual charge. Make a quick backup or restore point before driver changes because you will reinstall or roll back drivers next. This step reduces variables and prevents accidental input from defective hardware, so you can focus on display and driver fixes without ghost signals interfering. Once rebooted, boot to safe mode to remove suspect drivers safely. Uninstall the touch display and HID-compatible drivers, then restart normally so Windows can reinstall clean copies. If automatic drivers return the issue, download the OEM touch driver and install it instead, because vendor drivers often solve firmware quirks. After drivers are stable, run the touch calibration utility and adjust sensitivity. Make sure to disable pen or touch features you don't use. This sequence repairs software causes and explains why recalibration matters. To finish, physically inspect the panel. Clean away dirt, remove screen protectors, and check for moisture or pressure from a warped case because those create phantom touches. Update your system firmware or BIOS and receipt display and USB connectors to rule out loose cables. Once everything is updated, test using an external monitor or disable the internal touchscreen in Device Manager. If ghost touch persists, it's likely hardware. Contact repair or replace the digitizer. Quick tip: try a moisture reset. Leave powered off with silica for several hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.